Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use interactive brokers with TradingView. First, open your TradingView platform and locate the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. From there, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Simply select Interactive Brokers and proceed to log in with your existing account credentials. This initial step securely links your brokerage account, allowing you to manage trades directly from TradingView's powerful charting interface. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once connected, placing trades is intuitive. Select any asset on your TradingView chart, whether it's a stock, forex pair, or commodity. You'll then see clear buy and sell buttons directly within the trading panel. Click your desired action, and a pop-up will appear for you to confirm order details, such as the quantity of shares or contracts, and your preferred order type, like market or limit. Review everything carefully before execution. Managing your active trades is just as easy. The TradingView trading panel provides a comprehensive overview of all your open orders, allowing you to monitor their status instantly. If market conditions change, you can quickly modify an order's price or quantity, or even cancel it entirely with just a few clicks. This real-time control helps you adapt to market movements and effectively manage your portfolio directly from the platform. Beyond basic trading, you can leverage TradingView's advanced charting tools and hundreds of technical indicators to refine your strategies. Set up custom price alerts to notify you of potential trading opportunities, ensuring you never miss a key market move. This integration truly enhances your analytical capabilities and trading efficiency. And for a different kind of efficiency, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.